My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. I actually sold a bunch of these as pre-orders on eBay during drop day.
The Yeezy 350 Zions and the Jordan 1 Smoke Rays are going to be restocking in about 50 minutes. I got more. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god, like this is amazing.
Got a total of 14 checkouts, 3 of them being Yeezys and the rest of them are Jordan 1s.
Okay, now we're cooking it up. I got 4 in one cart, bro. $801.91. Oh, we have Stussy dropping in about 2 minutes, so hopefully we can take some W's on those as well. Oh my god! What the? How did that just happen?
Here is all of the sneakers that I copped today. Here is a list of sizes in case you don't want to zoom in and try to figure out what I got over here. Tomorrow we also have the Jordan 4 Off-Whites. Oh my god, imagine if I got one of those. We're gonna find out if we do on the next episode. So Off-White just dropped on their website. I don't know how people are hitting, like all of my proxies are banned. It's not looking good for me right now. Apparently Cyber hit like about 100 pairs so far, 10 minutes into the release. Yeah, not looking good for me. Okay, I've been trying for the past hour and a half, and from what I see, I still haven't made any progress on my bots. Manual, I've just absolutely lost my patience manual, and on the off chance that I do make progress eventually, it seems like all the bot orders are getting cancelled anyway. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give up on the Off-White website. Hopefully we have some more luck on Shopify.
Okay, nothing. They might drop at 6:01. They dropped. Wait, no. It didn't. Chimney. Oh shit, I'm so stupid. Sold out. How many people cop from Ra? One? This one guy copped quantity 5? Bro, how did you even do that? He changed the quantity to 5? Why would you even do that?
Kith is going to be dropping in about 20 minutes. What I'm going to be doing this time is a little bit different from my usual Kith setup. In my opinion, every time they feel like it's an important release and bot protection needs to be stronger than usual, they can usually pull it off. So I'm going to focus more on the manual side. I don't know, I might look like a fool after this, and I might be wrong, but if I had to take a guess, I think manual is the move.
No, dude. Damn it, bro.
That Off-White drop was absolutely garbage. Well, for me anyway. People who went super hard on this drop is now extremely sleep deprived. I'm just upset that I took an L. But you know what? It's fine. Everything's gonna be okay. Anyways, 2 Yeezy 350 Zions came in, and then we also have a package from Kith. I already have a buyer for this. We haven't discussed on how much I am going to sell it to her for, but I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated. Shoe Palace is restocking the Yeezy 350 Zions tomorrow. I'm going to be going for more smaller sizes and then maybe some bigger sizes. We'll have to see. But anyways, we did have 7 boxes that came in the mail today. And also, you see, I have tons of these boxes. That's because I think I'm going to be selling a bunch of Zions to bulk buyers. And I'm going to be sending a bunch of them towards consignment shops as well.
Yeezy 350 Zions are restocking on Shoe Palace. However, there's a bit of bad news. I currently do not have access to the Shoe Palace bot due to a licensing issue. This bot is still early in its development and that's why it's not released yet. So things like this I totally understand. So instead I will be using Phantom. I'm not expecting like a cookout like I normally do with the cheat code bot, but we'll give it a try.
Going to be setting up for some ASICS that Kith is going to be dropping. Not gonna lie, Shopify has been really annoying me with the payment errors. I'm not exactly confident that I'm going to get anything, and I'm also going to see if I can manual. I think it's going to be hard to manage both of those all at the same time, but I'll try my best.
Yeah, I got it sold out. Cyber actually did super duper well. They put out a last minute patch which allowed them to essentially bypass the queue. However, you do have to pass the queue before the drop. Unfortunately, I did not have time to do that. All L's for today.
So a bunch of small sizes for Yeezy 350 Zions came in the mail today. Really happy about that. And we also have a Jordan 12 that came in. Let's see how these look in hand. Yes, I would say it does live up to the hype. The quality, the look, and the colorway, all on point. Now it really makes sense to me why these shoes are selling for good profits. We have a few more Yeezys that came in the mail today. Here are the sizes. Unfortunately, the Jordan 1 Smoke Gray restock was pushed back one day, so instead, the restock is going to happen tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. I have 2 pieces of bad news. The first piece of bad news is that the Jordan 1 Smoke Gray restock got delayed again. Like, I swear, I don't even remember, but this is like the 3rd or 4th time they delayed it. At this point, they're just trolling us. The second piece of bad news is that one of my Yeezy Zions got stolen. Fortunately though, it was on a day where USPS delivered only 1 package. If I had like a huge stack of boxes over there, that would have been gone. But either way, it's still an L. The good news is that I did have a bunch of shoes come in. Here's the shipment for today. Got a bunch of Jordan 1s, a bunch of Zions, and then we have the Jordan 12s. Anyways, as I was saying, there are more shoes dropping tomorrow. We have the white Nike Stussy Spiridon, and that drop is going to slightly overlap with the restocks. Hopefully, we stop taking L's because I'm tired of L's. Let's see what ends up happening tomorrow.
Depo on the beat.
God damn, dude, I do not have my proxies ready. Dashboard, generate, okay, copy. Proxies, create new group, blah, space, okay. Save, tasks, cookie. Yup, that's what I want. Space. Add tasks. Start all. Dude, I don't even know if this is gonna work. I have no idea. Oh my gosh. Yo, I think we found the one, boys. Instant, the moment I switched to Origin proxies, instant checkouts. I was absolutely not ready at all. So throughout the day, I've been contacting a few proxy companies that claim to work pretty good on Shoe Palace. So these were the proxy companies that I was going to test. I was scrambling to get my space proxies worked out, and unfortunately my data ran out after like 20 minutes of running. My other buddy Fitzy, who also has a private Shoe Palace bot, not Palace bot, it's something else, he managed to get like over 42 checkouts using the same exact proxies that just straight up didn't work for me. And Omega proxies, I didn't get my proxies from them yet because the restock is supposed to be tomorrow. We ended up with a total of 4 grade school size pairs of the Jordan 1 smoke grays, so it isn't anything really to be super proud about, but I am pretty happy with it either way.
Pull up in a fast in a skirt, oh my. Yeah, my shawty lost cash, so you better don't try no. Flip a couple backs, then I pull up in the jack. Got a million on my jack, then it rain, next you dance, yeah, 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 yeah. Let it rain, yeah. In a phantom, man, the niggas swerving lanes, yeah. Yeah, shawty fell in love with their rubber bands, yeah. Yeah, niggas say they hate and they can't understand us.
Ooh, let's go. 5 payment errors. Really?
Pull up in a fast in a skirt, oh my.
Ooh, just got checkouts for Shoe Palace.
Flip a couple backs, then I pull up in the jack. Got a million on my jack, then it rain, next you dance, yeah, 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 yeah. Let it rain.
More Shoe Palace checkouts. Holy crap. Oh yes. This is exactly the way I wanted it to go. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. SP. More Shoe Palace order confirmations. Oh my god, I'm killing it, bro, and I know I'm doing it like... Dude, how many order confirmations do I have at this point? Oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot of order confirmations. Another order confirmation. Dude, I'm destroying this release, bro. Oh my gosh. So many checkouts. I'm over 25 checkouts right now. I wish there was a better way to show you guys what is happening visually. To me, these email confirmations are just rolling in. It doesn't show on the bot, and that's a little bit upsetting. But you know, the most important thing about a bot is the fact that it cooks. And right now, I'm draining my bank account in a literal sense, and it's amazing. There was so much happening at 10 a.m. EST. Like Shopify was dropping, Footsites were dropping, Shoe Palace was dropping. There was so much happening. So I really just had to prioritize which I was gonna go for. And if I'm being honest, I don't like my odds for the other shoes very much because I haven't gotten Shopify figured out. Manualing is a big risk because if it goes out of stock, then obviously you come out empty-handed. And then Kodai for foot size, I didn't really have to touch that, I just had to let it run, but I was getting a no sizes available error. I think I might have done something wrong with my preferred sizing option. That one was probably just my fault. So the website that just made the most sense to prioritize was Shoe Palace. And it turns out that was the right decision because I absolutely destroyed Shoe Palace. 28 of them are Jordan 1s and one of them is a Yeezy 350 Zion. So proxies that I was using, Origin proxies, I don't even have any words to explain how good those proxies ended up working. And then Omega proxies, they did all right, you know? I was able to get a few cards for the Yeezy 350 Zions and then I was able to check out one. So in my opinion, Omega proxies is a viable go-to for Shoe Palace, but it isn't anything compared to Origin proxies, which absolutely did so much work for me. So if your bot supports Shoe Palace, Phantom recently put Shoe Palace back up. I saw a few people got some checkouts over there. And on top of that, there are other public Shoe Palace bots as well. If you're not sure what bot supports Shoe Palace, I would highly suggest consulting with your cook group for that. Speaking of cook groups, I actually have a really big announcement for you guys. If you follow me on social media, then you already know what I'm gonna say, but I am now a co-owner of Notify. I've been part of the group ever since they came out and they have never disappointed. I know some of you guys watching this are already part of Notify, so you're gonna see me in the chat and in the voice chat there a lot more often starting from now. So if you want to join my cook group, here's what you gotta do. You will have 2 chances to join. Notify is going to be restocking on August 12 at 6 p.m. EST and August 13 at 2 p.m. EST. The purchase link will be announced on Twitter at Notify, but you gotta be fast to purchase because memberships usually sell out very quickly. I just want to make something clear that joining my group does not mean 24/7 access to interact with me. Only join if you're an aspiring reseller who wants to get into botting, looking to take reselling more seriously, or if you're not happy with your current cook group and you're looking for a better alternative. My role has more to do with helping improve and adding onto the features that we currently offer. So I personally wouldn't be responsible for release information or technical guides, but that's a good thing because our staff members who you do have access to 24/7 are more specialized than me as far as their expertise and experience for different subtopics of botting and reselling, which means if you need any assistance at all, we've always got you covered. Good luck and I'll see you guys in there. 3 more Jordan 12s came in the mail today. I sold one of them as a pre-order for eBay, so I gotta go ahead and pack that up now. By the way, August is absolutely packed with amazing sneaker releases. We'll see if I could figure out how to deal with this anti-bot thing, see if I could take more W's on the next episode.